Legit or scam? Shockwave therapy for men's health has been around in clinics for years. But in 2026, there's a new wave of at-home devices, claiming to offer the same results without a doctor's visit. One of the most talked about products online is the Neuman Wave Therapy Pro, marketed as a non-invasive, drug-free solution for erectile dysfunction, stamina, blood flow, and overall male confidence. But is this device legit? Or is it just another scam disguised as medical tech? Let's break it down to understand what the Neuman Wave Therapy Pro is. We first need to separate real clinical shockwave therapy from marketing buzzwords. True shockwave therapy in a clinical setting involves high-energy acoustic waves, delivered with specialized machines by trained professionals. It has been studied for various health issues, including erectile dysfunction, with some controlled research showing benefit when administered properly. A lot of at-home devices use similar terminology, but that doesn't mean they deliver clinical-grade shockwave energy or have any real evidence behind them. Solace Health Group, the Neuman Wave Therapy Pro product page, claims advanced wave technology designed to improve blood flow, stimulate nerve activity, and promote tissue repair, suggesting benefits like firmer erections, enhanced sensitivity, and long-lasting improvements without drugs or invasive procedures. The marketing also touts features like multiple modes, easy at-home use, and dramatic results for a wide range of men. The page even includes testimonials and statements from a board-certified urologist. Neuman, however, when we look deeper at the legitimacy indicators for this product and its sellers, some red flags appear. A domain check of the website selling Neuman Wave Therapy devices shows it was created very recently and has a low trust score, which often indicates potential risk for consumers. The contact information and physical address are either missing or minimal, and the domain is set to expire quickly. All of which are common traits of sites built solely for aggressive online marketing rather than long-standing, reputable medical device companies. The Maker Depot there are also real user discussions on forums like Reddit, where people who purchase these kinds of devices under the expectation of shockwave therapy report something very different. Multiple commenters note that the product is not actually a clinical shockwave therapy machine, but resembles a generic massager or vibrator that has been rebranded and marketed as medical tech for sexual health. One user even claims that cheap versions of the same item are sold on sites like Alibaba and are being passed off online with deceptive advertising. Reddit, this kind of mismatch between marketing language and actual device capability is common in the health gadget space. True shockwave devices used in clinics cost thousands of dollars and require proper training and medical oversight. The affordable devices sold online, often for a few $100s, cannot produce the same therapeutic energy levels, even if they use words like wave therapy, acoustic, pulses, or clinically inspired. Technology. This is reinforced by people in forums who have tried similar products and saw no improvement after months of use. Reddit, another disclaimer. The testimonials on the product pages are mostly positive, but there's no independent verification of these claims. There's also no indication that the product has been cleared or approved by major regulatory bodies like the FDA or CE for medical use, and science-based reviews specifically call out vague specs and lack of clinical validation. YouTube, so what can you reasonably expect? If you're using Neuman Wave Therapy simply as a novelty massager, many people report enjoying it for comfort or relaxation. But if the expectation is true clinical outcomes like reliably improving blood flow or reversing erectile dysfunction in the same way medical shockwave therapy does, there's no strong clinical evidence that this at-home device actually delivers on that promise. Instead, it appears more like a consumer gadget dressed up with health-centric language to make it sound medical. In summary, while shockwave therapy itself has a place in regulated clinical settings, the Neuman Wave Therapy Pro product as marketed online in 2026 shows several warning signs of overpromise and under-delivery. These include low trust scores for the selling site, user reports of mismatched expectations, similarities to generic devices, and a lack of independent clinical evidence supporting the claims. If you're considering something like this for health reasons, it's always best to speak with a licensed medical professional and look for devices that are properly regulated and proven in clinical studies. If this review helped you understand the real story behind Neuman Wave Therapy, Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried this device or is it something you'd skip? Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.